Welcome back to another Universal Horror Unleashed update. Let's go. So as far as progress, all that I can see is that they have added more detailing to the paint on the building. Gives it a more the weathered look. I believe they only have about 70 something days left until opening day, which I believe is August 14th. So I'm just gonna keep assuming that everything on the inside is pretty much done or going through final touches, and the outside is the only thing that really needs to be finished. Not quite too sure. So here's another angle of them making it look as abandoned. Look at the stress of the property. You can see it there. It's coming together. I think I have like 70 something days. I'll put the correct number. So that's gonna do it from the construction site. It was a short video. I'll probably be back out towards the end of the month to see how things progress. But peace.